In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a project on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to send your CapCut project to someone else, collaborate with a teammate, or move your work between devices without having to start over. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along easily, even if you're brand new to CapCut. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a share icon there. This is the button you'll use to begin the sharing process. Go ahead and click that share icon. After you click it, pay attention to the top right area again, because you'll now see an option called Share Files. This is the feature that lets you upload your project so it can be shared with others. Click on Share Files to continue. Now CapCut will ask you to upload the file you want to share. Choose the project file you want to send and let the upload finish completely. Depending on the size of your project and your internet speed, this may take a moment, so be patient and make sure the upload is fully completed before moving on. Once the upload is done, CapCut will generate a shareable link for you. At this point, you can copy the link and send it to anyone you want. You can paste it into a message, email, or anywhere else you need to share it. The person who receives the link can then access the shared project based on the permissions and settings you've chosen. And that's it. That's how to share a project on CapCut PC. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and it makes working with others much easier. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.